With Gridbox, you can create websites or web app prototypes either visually or using code. When you open any HTML file, you will be in design mode by default, where you can manipulate HTML elements visually. When you switch to code, you can start editing HTML content right away. Whatever elements you have used in the visual canvas will be reflected in the code editor, and you can even edit them. Alright, you can even work with external CSS or JavaScript libraries. To import any external CSS or JavaScript library, you can click on this option. In this example, I am going to import Alpine.js. Sometimes you want to preview the changes instantly. To do that, you can open the preview screen in a split mode. And whenever you change any content, you can preview it instantly. You can even work with multiple CSS or JavaScript files. Whenever you write any custom style, it will be automatically reflected in the visual canvas. And you can even make your website more interactive or dynamic using JavaScript. That's an overall introduction to code editor.